Hi everyone, today I want to show you how to grow tulips hydroponically using pebbles. I have 4 colors of pebbles here: mix, yellow, white, and black. This time I use white pebbles. Of course, you can also choose other colors based on your preference to match your tulips. First, remove the out layer of the tulip bulb. Then place the pebbles in the glass vase. These are all natural pebbles, so they have different sizes. The pebbles can support the bulbs to ensure them grows right away. And as you see, these pebbles make the glass vase looks better. Add water. Be sure not to submerge the stones completely. I will explain why later. Here are 3 important tips successful hydroponic. First, avoid direct sunlight. After planting, you can place it in a shady area or cover it with something. Second, temperature is crucial. The optimal temperature for hydroponic tulips is between 0 to 15 degrees Celsius. This range promotes easy rooting and germination while minimizing the risk of mold and root. And the third is the water level. Before roots develop, keep the water 0.3 cm below the bulb space to avoid direct contact. Once roots form, just let the water level be halfway to the roots. And then what we need to do is just wait.